Hey guys, welcome back to another Z-Bolt unboxing, and we have a Fujifilm BLC-XE3 half leather case. Of course, for the Fujifilm XE3. So we're gonna take a look at it. Of course, put it in the XE3 first. It's a leather built Fujifilm half leather case. Very nice build. Actually, pretty substantial. Also, it's pretty hard. Also. So it's not your soft leather case. It's a pretty hard case, and you do have that buttons at the side, and of course at the bottom you do have that opening for your battery here at this side. And pretty cool here is as you guys can see, it has a kind of really expensive texture here. It's a felt-ish kind of texture. Thank you, Amsel, for that. You have buttons here at the side. And of course, yes, yeah, pretty nice that you have, protection for your XE3 compared to maybe other cases that you just have, pure leather already inside. Of course, you do have also pretty nice grip here at the right side. It's not, super duper big grip. It's pretty, just I would say all right in terms of the overall size. It doesn't give that much bulk to the XE3 in general. Putting it inside, so this is okay, buttons here at the side. Okay, so it doesn't have any screw at the bottom for a tripod mount though, so that's a bit of a bummer here at this bottom side. So for people is gonna do videos and maybe tripod mounted stills, this might be a bummer. You need to remove it from time to time if you need it. So definitely this is for daily maybe travel, on the neck kind of shooting style. So this is what it looks like inside. As you guys can see, it doesn't really cover the whole grip, so it's just a bit, as you can see, recessed here at the side. So it does give a little bit of gripping area for your hand, but it's not super duper big. It's just fairly small still. Of course, at the bottom it adds a bit of length also, but it's really light in terms of the overall coverage. Overall, it's really definitely a half case. It doesn't add that much weight also to the whole camera. So yeah, very minimalist in terms of design, and what I really like about it is it does look good, with the Fuji. So definitely yes, Fuji and Fuji texture, they actually did get it. It's pretty nice, pretty expensive feeling overall. So really nice. And of course, when you put it on a table, it will be protected, so the underside will be protected. And actually it's pretty easy to remove also. It's not your screw head kind of design, so it's not that big of a deal when you're using a tripod. So when you need to remove it, it's pretty fast to remove compared to maybe screw head kind of design, right? So this is the BLC XE3 grip for the Fujifilm XE3. It's pretty nice look overall. It's around $70, around 2,500, 3,000 pesos. Definitely paying a premium for a Fujifilm. And of course, if you learned something, leave a like and subscribe for more content like this in the future. And I'm gonna see you guys in the next Z-Bolt unboxing. Goodbye.